Hey guys, how are you today? Welcome to a video. I'm filming on my old camera right now, so if the quality is kind of weird, that's why. Anyways, I am in South Korea right now. Oh my god. Wait, let me put this here. I'm actually on a trip with my family, which is very wholesome, very cute. Oh my god, look how healthy my skin looks. I already bought some like Korean skincare and it's majestic, honestly. I honestly didn't know like a lot about South Korea, but the thing I did know is that they are crazy good at skincare and at like cosmetic surgeries and like injections and then BOTOX and everything like that. I've never done anything to my face ever in my life. I've been thinking about getting lip fillers for like ages, but also I don't really, I mean, I think my lips are fine, so I don't actually really want my lips to be different, but I just like the experience, you know? But I'm not getting any younger and my skin is not getting any better. So I thought, why not just give myself a little bit of BOTOX in South Korea? The place to be. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do today. I was thinking about also getting lip fillers, but I don't know. So I'm gonna bring you guys with me on my little BOTOX adventure. Okay, let's show you guys my before. Also, I know my skin is fine, like I don't have any crazy wrinkles or anything like that, but it's good to, it's better to like prevent it than to cure it, you know? This is my face right now. Do I have a skin blur on this thing? I don't know, I haven't used this in fucking ages. I feel like my skin is way more blurry on the camera than it is in real life. Anyways, okay. Maybe I'll just add a photo or something. But yeah, this is my skin now. This is my face. Yeah, the main thing that I want to get rid of or like want to prevent from happening is like if I frown like this, I get like a really big like wrinkle over there, and I don't want that. So I want to get BOTOX here. I want to get it on my forehead in general, and then thinking about also getting a brow lift with BOTOX. But we'll see. Let's just go to the salon. I'm actually so excited. Okay guys, I have entered my destination, I think. Muse Clinics. We'll see. It's very confusing, but we'll get there at the end, I'm pretty sure. Beautiful, beautiful. Here it is. Yeah, I want to have a consultation first, if that's possible.
Well, depending on the area that you go for, it paralyzes the muscle movement. So yeah. The frown line.
Yeah, the frown line. Do you also do brow lifts with BOTOX? No? Okay. Yeah, forehead definitely. Maybe crow's feet.
Okay, can you lift your eyebrows? Okay, and frown. 3 areas.
Yeah, mainly this. Well. And do you do BOTOX in jaw for like clenching? Yeah, I would like to have that too. Please, if possible. Yeah. Thanks. I just had my consultation and now I'm heading to level 5 to get my BOTOX done. This shit is so cheap. It's actually crazy how cheap this is. Okay. Let's go to level 5. Okay, everybody, it is done. I did it. Wait, can you see me? Can you see me? That actually was like, that went so quick. It's like, it wasn't a very luxurious experience, but it was like hella cheap. So yeah, I'm just gonna go get a coffee somewhere now, and then once I'm home, I'm gonna kind of show you guys what happened. Can you see? Is it working already? Do I look 10 years younger? Hello? Hello? I'm gonna put my camera somewhere where you can see me. Okay, hello girlies. It is the next day right now after my beautiful Botox appointment. As you can see, my face is looking fine. I mean, I did just wake up, so it looks kind of crunchy, but overall, I just have like a little, yeah, that's like the only bruise I have over there on my chin. My forehead and everything else is fine. It's fine. She did tell me that it can take up to like 1 or 2 weeks for it to actually work. So I can still move my everything around. So nothing is happening yet. But yeah, but overall, I would say it went pretty smoothly. The only thing that I kind of have troubles with was just like finding where I had to go, because the building was like super big. It had like 5 levels and I had to go to like a different level. Oh my god, I kept going in the wrong direction and I kept talking to the wrong people, but they were all very nice. They're very nice. And when I ended up at the right spot, I was talking to someone who worked there, and I was like, yeah, what do you want, blah blah. I was like, you know, I would like to have a consultation first because I have no clue what I'm doing. And what we basically decided to do, I mean what I decided to do, was like the forehead area, this, like the nose bridge around my eyes, so like the crow's feet. And what I also did is I did my jaws, because I thought about that like 5 seconds before I entered the building. I actually have like really intense like clenching problems, and yeah, Botox can help with that. It definitely helps. I feel like it helps with like grinding your teeth more, but it probably helps with like clenching too. So I was like, you know what, just fucking tranquilize my jaws, because I just want to try. I just want to know if that works, because that would be so much better for me, because it's annoying. I don't want to clench my jaws. It's so annoying. The jaw area is gonna take a little bit longer to work, she said. She said it's gonna take like 3 to 4 weeks for it to actually go into effect. But yeah, that shit was so easy, and so it was fine. It was literally fine. It was painful though, like I'm not gonna lie, it definitely isn't a nice feeling, but also it's not that bad. Like, you'll survive. It's fine. So yeah, I loved it. My face is a little bit sore, but again, it's nothing. It's literally not that bad at all. I mean, especially like if you look at my face, it's covered in fucking metal. So yeah, I am used to people pricking my body and feeling sore. That's like my monthly routine basically. So it's totally fine. I'm just gonna go about my life now. I'm gonna check in with you like every day or maybe every couple of days, just to see if there's any difference in my face. But yeah, so far, it's just that nothing has changed yet. So, okay. Ciao, Bella. It's so cold. It's so cold in my house. It's so cold in my house. It's supposed to be, well, not summer. It's supposed to be spring right now. It's fucking 10 degrees. Oh my god, how I miss living my life in Bali. Anyways, hey everybody. I am back with another Botox update. I'm literally back at home already. I was planning on filming like update videos every single day, and then I just kind of forgot to do that. So I don't have any updates, but I can show you guys what I look like right now. I think it's been about 2 weeks since I got my Botox, so it should work perfectly now. I do have something to say about the Botox. First thing I want to say is that I actually I just love knowing that I have Botox in my head for some reason. I know a lot of people are like very opposed to like, you know, like fillers, Botox, plastic surgery. I'm not one of those people. I actually love it, and not for like me, because I don't think I would ever get like plastic surgery or anything. I don't think I will get fillers. But I just love the whole vibe, you know? Whenever I see a girl with like big boobs, big plump lips, like face completely knocked out with Botox, I just like that. I think it's so cool. I think it's so fun. I love that whole vibe. I don't know what it is. I just love that. So the fact that I have like Botox myself, it just makes me happy. It just makes me feel good. I'm like, oh, I'm one of those girlies now. But yeah, the only thing is, so I don't really know, like, I don't know how much they actually put in my head, in my face. Because I didn't ask them. Also, they didn't tell me. And also the place where I went to, it was very much like a factory. It was very much like take a number, get stabbed, go home. So it wasn't really the full like luxurious experience. So yeah, I actually have no clue. I have no clue how much I put in my forehead. I have no clue like how much I got everywhere. I only know that I got 50 units in one jaw and I got 50 units in the other jaw. That's the only thing I know. And I also know that I got the cheapest Botox, which was Korean Botox. I don't know, is that good? I just went for the cheapest option because I was like, why not? It took a while for it to actually go into effect. I think it took at least, like after a week I started seeing some changes. It went very like slowly, and I feel like one day it looks different than the other day. But yeah, let's just show what I got right now. They stabbed me in my forehead, they stabbed me here, which was like my most important thing, and they stabbed me around my eyes and my jaws, yeah. If I move my head right now, can you see? This is like the most I can squint. Yeah, as you can see, there's definitely a difference. And if I do my head like this, up, yeah, there's not like a lot of, I mean, obviously there's still some, but it's not, you can tell that it definitely worked. The only thing that I don't really know if it has like a difference or not is like this area, because I actually did not know I was gonna get Botox there, and I've never really looked at that area, so I don't know how much it actually changed. But I feel like probably worked. But yeah, I can still move my face, I can still frown, I can still move my eyebrows. So I am not completely emotionless right now, which is good. And then the jaws, they say the jaws are gonna take 2 to 3 weeks before it actually worked. Like I said, it's been 2 weeks. To be honest, I don't really notice a difference, but I feel like maybe it's more for like grinding your teeth than actually clenching your jaws, because maybe, I don't know. But yeah, I definitely feel like I'm still clenching my jaws like crazy. Maybe I should just get a massage instead of Botox. Maybe that's gonna relax me. Yeah, overall, I will give this experience 10 out of 10. Well, maybe not 10 out of 10. The place where I got it is like pretty, I mean, the place isn't janky, it's just a good place, like everybody recommends it, but it's definitely not, it definitely doesn't really feel like you're getting a luxurious skin treatment, you know. But yeah, I don't know, I like it. It was super cheap. I paid 30 euros for everything here, and I paid 30 euros for both my jaws. And I also got a tax refund, because I'm like a tourist in Korea, and then you get like a tax refund for like everything. So I paid 60, and in total I think it was like 52 for everything, which is super cheap. That's actually super cheap. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comments if you would ever do something like this, or if you've already done something like this. Because again, I know that the opinions are like pretty, like it's either a hard yes or a hard no. There's not really like in between when it comes to like Botox and fillers. So yeah, let me know. Let me know what your life is. Let me know what your stance on paralyzing the muscles in your face is. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Kiss kiss, bye bye, ciao ciao. Kiss kiss, bye bye, ciao.